I'm going to show you something that we do as a courtesy for clients. So see here, I haven't finished cutting this, but we're running a backup camera. So client brought us their own camera system. So we have run through here, run through the factory wire, coming through this factory grommet. And then I come across, I look at this factory ground, and it looks okay. The fact that there's a little bit of moisture you get in interiors with condensation. So what I like to do is, these grounds are only okay because it's a manufacturing constraint, is the vehicle gets painted and then they ground it and it's reliant on the threads and there's paint there. So as I'm coming across them, clean it off, put this back, and I'll hand thread it as far as I can go. Make sure I don't cross thread it. Because our goal is for when vehicles are being worked on, we want them to last longer and be safer, right? We're adding more functionality with our backup camera, but just doing that, we can help prolong the functionality of this vehicle. These grounds could be for fuel pump, it could be for rear lights, other devices. So by doing this, we make sure that they're going to have more stable voltage just by cleaning the paint off and helping remove any corrosion. And we just coat the top with fluid film.
In the car with my day ones, they're my dogs, yeah, they're my best friends, they're my brothers, yeah.